Hello friends, welcome to Nick IT Academy. In this session, we are going to learn about lookup transformation. So lookup transformation is very important transformation in our real-time project. So most of the mapping, we will use this lookup transformation. So what is lookup transformation? So lookup transformation is to look up some values from another table. So whenever we are creating a logic, a real-time project, so in the pipeline, if I want to look up some value, then I can go for the lookup transformation. We have two types of lookup transformation. One is connected lookup, other one is called unconnected lookup. In this session, we are going to learn about connected lookup. In our next session, we will learn about unconnected lookup. After that, we will learn about when do we go for connected lookup, when do we go for unconnected lookup. So what are the difference between connected and unconnected? We will see in later. Consider this particular example. This is the connected lookup example. If you look at source, we have the table called product. I have product ID, supplier ID, product information, all the related to product information. So I have only product ID, but in target or next level transformation, I need to have the product name. By passing the product ID to the table called product description, I will take the product name and description, okay, to the next level transformation or in the target. So in order to take this product ID and product name, either I can go for joiner or I can go for the lookup. So if the table is there in the source side, I can go for the joiner. If the table is there in source or target, or if the table is flat file or anywhere in the pipeline, if I have the table, I can go for the lookup transformation. So this is what the lookup. We can pass or look up a value and then we can join and then get the record details. We will see this connected lookup in detail. Please watch this session without skipping it. Let us start our session. So this is the 11th transformation. So in lookup, we have two types of lookup. So one is connected lookup, another one is unconnected lookup. Okay. So what is lookup? This is a lookup is an active transformation, and we have connected as well as unconnected lookup transformation. We will see the connected lookup first, then we will see the unconnected lookup. What is lookup? So we know already, we have seen that joiner transformation. The joiner transformation will do the joining, right? So whenever I need to have the joining column, I can go for the joiner transformation. The same way, the joiner need to have the joining column only in the source side. But in the lookup, we can have the lookup table, either it might be in the source or target, or you can import it newly. So that is what the advantage of lookup transformation. Connected lookup is nothing but it will be on the pipeline. Okay, it will be on the pipeline. So you'll be having something like many port. So in lookup, we'll be having input port, output port, lookup port, and return port. So we will see one by one. And then if you look at here, say for an example, I have the employees table. You have the employees table. The same like joiner, how we will do the same way lookup also we will do. Think about we have the employees table. It has employee ID. So all the columns are there. Underscore ID, all the columns are there. Like up to department ID. Okay. So up to department ID, you have all the columns. Then here you have the T underscore employees underscore department is another table we have. It's called T underscore employees underscore department, another table. Okay. So this has like, so employee ID, all this data like employee ID to department ID. So then department name, you have the department name, then you have the location ID, right? The location ID, all the columns are there. I need department name and location ID. So what I can do, either I can go for the joiner or I can go the lookup. So this time I'm going with the lookup. So this is my source qualifier. You know already, so how the source qualifier will be working. So this is my source qualifier. Okay, this is my source qualifier. Then you have you can connect from employee ID to department ID. You can connect. So from there, you can have all these columns. You can have all these columns, like all the columns you can have. So like this, you can have these columns. So you can have all these columns by one. Then you can keep this like, if you want the department name, I can go with the I have to look up the table, right? I have to look up the table. So this table, I can go with the lookup table. So this lookup table, we will call it as LKP trans. Okay, LKP trans. So this table, we will make it like departments table. We will look up the departments table. Okay, remember this. Same like joining. Same like joining, we are looking up the departments table. In this table, we have some columns like, yeah, the department ID will be there, right? So in the lookup table, you'll be having department ID. Then you'll be having department name, the lookup table, department name. Then you'll be having location ID. So all these columns will be there here. So these columns will be there in the departments table. Okay. So now I'm going with this column. Drag and drop this column from here. Drag and drop this column from here. So this column, we will take it as a lookup column. So this lookup column, we will call it as in_department ID. Department ID. That we will make it like department ID. Then join these two columns. Department ID with the department ID. Then you can drag and drop the columns. Department name and location ID. Clear now? So this is what you have to do the lookup. So this is called the connected lookup. Why? Because the table is there in connection. Okay, so I will take the same designer. I will take this table. I'm going to create the same thing. So m_connected_lookup, connected_lookup. You can see here. Source, I'm taking the table. Same thing I'm repeating. Okay. So whatever we have seen on the day, just repeating that. We can take T_employees_department. This table I want to do the lookup. So from employee ID to department ID, I'm loading here. From the department name and location ID, I'm doing the lookup. So how to do the lookup? Just click on the lookup transformation here. Lookup table is departments table. You can take either table or flat file. Anything is fine. So you can take the flat file, table. And from here, you can pass the department ID to department ID. I can match it, these two. Double click on it. Go to condition. You can plus the condition like department ID equal to department ID. Apply here. Okay. Then you can take the department ID, department name and location ID. Both I can drag and drop. Control yes. Okay, you can arrange it all. You can see here. So we are passing department ID from here. If you do not want this manager ID, you can remove it. You can remove it, no issues. So you can have this department ID, department name, location ID, condition, department ID to department ID. Okay, apply. Okay, yes, save it. So this is what the connected lookup. You can go to the workflow manager. Okay, I'm going to the workflow manager. So in the workflow manager, I'm creating one workflow. Okay, so WF_connected lookup _1. I'm making. Okay, and then take this session connected lookup, then drag and drop. Whatever we have seen on the date, just repeating it. Okay, pointing target to targets. If you want truncate and load targets, you can go to the lookup transformation. You can do the lookup on source, apply here. Okay, save it and then run the start workflow. Okay, start workflow now. So it will load the data. It got completed. You can see here. You can see here. You can have this table 107 into 107. Okay, so the data has been loaded now. So you can see been loaded. You can go and check here in the table. So if you have this data has been loaded. Okay, just it has been loaded with employee, department name and location. So for an example, I want to know, I want to load only purchasing department. Where can I apply filter? So can I apply filter in the lookup? So if you are applying the lookup, then it will become like a left outer join only. So if I want to make, sometimes interview, they will ask, how will you make lookup like an inner join? You have to make flat some filter here. Filter, apply the filter. So keep the filter here. Drag and drop all the columns from here to here. And department name and location ID, you can keep it here. Wherever the department name is coming like something like finance department, right? Department name equal to finance, purchasing or anything. You can make it like purchasing. And then you, from the filter, you have to drag and drop to the next level. Same like control S, valid, refresh this, refresh mapping, save it, start workflow. And see now, it will load on only 6 data, 6 record. Only why? Because I have only purchasing department, 6 employees are there. So that is why it will do the lookup. Sometimes interview they will ask, how will you change the lookup as inner join? So this is what, see here now 6 record only it's loading. You can see here now 6 record is loading, right? So this is what you can see this value. So this is what the connected lookup with single table. Say for an example, I want to do the connected lookup on some 2 or 3 tables. For an example, I have one more table called department underscore LOC, another table. Okay. This table I have to load it. I want to load all the department as well as location details also in the table. I will go with one more lookup. Okay. So connected lookup only. Connected lookup, 2 tables, 2 lookup tables. Okay. First table, I will take it like employees table only, source table. Here, I will take employees, department and location, target table. So normally I will give this as an exercise, but here I will do it. Okay. So that you will get idea. So how it will be. So this table I'm taking. So this table you should have created for your exercises like source qualifier exercise or joiner exercise. You should have created. In source, I'm going to take locations, or you can take it in the runtime also. Say for an example here, first I want to drag and drop this table, target table. So what are the column needed? From employee ID to department ID, I need all the column name, location ID, street address, city and the country. So these 3 columns is coming from locations table. Okay, locations table. So what first I can do, first I will do it like departments table lookup. So whatever we have done it previously, that we have to do. So go to this first departments table. I'm doing the lookup. Departments table. Okay. So look at now. So you pass department ID from here, match it this department ID and this department ID. Double click on it. Condition. Match it here. You do not want this manager ID, you can remove it. So you can bring this department name and location ID from here. You can pass it over here. Okay. Then I need street address, city and country. So from where I can take it, this table, these 3 columns, I have to look up on the locations table, right? So how can I do the lookup on locations table? You have to go with location ID. So here I have the location ID. By passing this location ID to next transformation, I can get it. Say for an example here, click on one more time lookup table, click here. So this time I will make import relational table. So where from the source is there. So yeah, the location table is there in the source, right? So that is why I'm just connecting with source. So I'm just importing from source that locations. Click on OK. So from here, I'm passing the location ID from here. Okay, you can ask question. Can I pass from one lookup table to another lookup table? Yes, you can pass it. This location ID, I'm going to match it. I'm going to get this street address and the city and country. So these 3 column, I'm going to take it. Okay, these 3 column, I'm going to take it. The postal code I will remove, and I will take it like state. I will remove it. I will keep all these 3 columns. Okay. Okay. Lookup condition is location ID to location ID. So one lookup table to another lookup table. So you can go here, workflow create. So WF underscore connected lookup underscore two lookup tables, two tables. So you can make here. So only thing is here is, so one extra thing is in the lookup, you have to provide the connection. Lookup, you have to provide the connection. This lookup table is in source side. Don't forget this. This is the lookup. This is also source. So this is also source. This is also source. Okay. You have to click on OK, save it. Now, if you run, it will load the data into this table. This table, as of now, we don't have any data, but if you run it, it will load the data. So you can see here 107 record has been loaded. So it will loaded with the record details. Look at here. So all the department name, location ID, street address, city, country, everything has been loaded, right? So this is what connected lookup, two tables. I hope you are clear on the connected lookup.